those test instruments which are not updated or no longer valid. Guard against personal bias, or you might read your own story in the test profile of another person. Protect confidentiality, because in your hands lie powerful information and data. Remember that your reports shape futures. Use that power with care and conscience. Carry out your duties with humility and compassion, for the measure of a psychometrician lies not in the data you collect and interpret, but in the integrity and humanity with which you use it, to reveal potential, restore trust, and affirm the worth of every human being you serve. This day also marks a new beginning. Your transition from student to practitioner, from learner to professional citizen of this noble discipline that serves both science and society. But the journey does not end here. The field of psychology offers many paths towards deeper expertise, specialization, and leadership. As psychometricians, you may advance through postgraduate studies, pursue certification in testing and assessment, or collaborate in research, human resources, clinical practice, or education. Whichever path you take, remember that the profession grows with those who dare to grow with it. Every psychometrician begins with a curiosity about the mind, a desire to measure the unseen, and a commitment to uphold truth through science and empathy. At the beginning, one learns the art of precision, the entry-level psychometrician, who administers and scores tests, gathers data, and ensures validity and integrity in the results. This forms the soul of psychometrics.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective.
The one who held my hand until the very end, my love. I know you're watching me somewhere, and I'd give anything to share this moment with you. I made it. We made it. I'm no longer lost in obscurity, no longer aimless. I hope I've made you proud, just as I've always been proud of you. Gone are the days when all I could see was darkness ahead. Now I finally understand. This must be the sight you wanted me to see. How touching. Nakakagalak ng puso. To be given this honor and privilege to witness this scene. All I could see are victors who overcame their respective battles. Mga produkto ng sleepless nights, liters of coffee, hundreds of printed reviewers. For some, packs of cigarette, ilang bote ng alak. I could also see non-believers na naging prayer leaders. Mga former slackers na nag-excel na extra effort. and of course, those who juggled their work and review. Hindi ako masyadong magsasalita because I want you to feel. I want you to relish this moment. The sweet flavor of success. Yes, this is about you, about us, being in our current peak versions of ourselves. A pleasant day to parents, guests, and my fellow vectors. My name is unimportant, for I speak not for myself, but for every heart that fought and conquered beside me. Let's walk the memory lane for a bit. The time before we even enrolled in our respective review centers. Or the moment before we created our review planners. The first time nasunod, well, yung iba sa first week lang, kasama na po ako doon. Let's take a look back at the times when we're at our lowest, our rock bottom. Let's appreciate those who helped us to get back on our feet. God, our parents, friends, lover, the person we hope would be our lover, our fellow test takers, and of course, ourselves.